Hi guys, we're coming down to the farmer's market today. Looks like it's kind of slow today, being the day after Christmas, but we brought the remote control cars that we got yesterday, and we're gonna go have some fun. And I brought all my GoPro accessories, so we could have some fun with that. You excited, bud? Yeah! Alright, here we go. Wanna try this one, bud? No? Yes, it's a little more complicated. They control each other. No, I'm not. Good morning. Whoa. There you go. Alright guys, y'all ready to go for a ride? Let's try again. It's too heavy. Alright. Let's try this again.
Dang it.
Try that. Getting stuck.
It's stuck in there.
We're ready? Here we go. In the way of the antenna. So simple. Now we got it. Yeah. Oh, he got stuck. He got stuck. Trying to find the best setup for you guys on this remote control car, and I just can't seem to get a good one. Alright guys, we're testing out all the fun things that we got for Christmas. We just did the roller skates, and now we've got the bike out. You ready?
I can ride a bike now.
You know what? We might need to put your seat a little higher.
Look.
Oh, you're doing good. Look at you. You like that? Yeah. Watch out for the truck. You gotta look at where you're going. You're good on your bike, Amelia. You are. Look how fast you're going. You are fast. I'm impressed.
On the road.
That's fine. You want to go on the road or no?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit? Push. There you go. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. You got it. There you go. All right, go. You got it. Keep pushing. One foot, then the other. You're doing great. Let's see, we need to get a wrench right there, and I'll lift it up for you. Let me go find a wrench. Yeah, that's definitely. It's a little bit higher for you now. I think that might be better. If it's too high, let me know and I can bring it down.
I think this is perfect.
You think it's perfect? Is that better? Yeah, you're going fast. Look at you. Big girl on a bike. Good job. Oh, you turning around? Go ninja, go ninja, go. You're doing great. High five on your first bike ride. Yes, I'm proud of you. You're doing great. Give who a five? Me? Yes. First bike ride fun. Go with the wind. Push that one. Whoa, watch the fence. You don't want to run into the fence. everybody what we're gonna do?
Okay, guys, are you ready to ride a bike?
We're gonna take this bike clamp that we got in our GoPro stuff and put it right here, or right here probably. And then y'all can go with Amelia. Y'all ready? Let's do this. Push down on that, gotta go that way.
Hey, yes. Are you ready to go on a bike ride? Okay. Come on a bike ride. This is my new bike. And I got quickly from it. And oh, it's slicking a little bit. Okay.
Are you done? You gotta turn around? Are you kissing your bike?
We're about to go fast. Okay. Let's go back.
Let's go back.
Now can you give me a little push on the road?
This one, push that one. There you go.
And we're going on another bike ride.
You watch where you're going.
Okay, guys, one more bike ride, and then you'll go bye-bye. Okay, guys, one